Welcome to Rochester Toyota. When you bring your vehicle in or schedule an appointment for express maintenance services, you get a complimentary multi-point inspection. Here's a look at what all that includes. We check headlights, windshield wipers, and taillights, top off washer fluid, and inspect other fluids such as power steering and brake fluid levels. We also take a look at your air filters in the engine and the cabin component. We check your tires' air pressure and top it off if needed, so your tires are properly inflated and ready for the road. Then, we do a tread depth measurement on each tire in multiple locations of the tire to ensure they're wearing properly. Toyota recommends performing a tire rotation every 5,000 miles, which then allows us to take a look at your brake pad measurements as well as inspect the suspension components, including drive axles, lower control arms, tie rod ends, and the side of the transmission to make sure there are no leaks. Before placing the wheel back on, we spray it with grease to prevent corrosion buildup. Then, we take a peek at the under-rear carriage of your vehicle, including the rear springs, control arms, drive shafts, differentials, drive lines, and exhaust components. We then move to the front of your vehicle and check suspension components, driveline components, steering components, and engine and transmission. On most new models, Toyota recommends every 10,000 miles or at least once a year to do your oil change. We always replace it with a genuine Toyota oil filter and a new drain plug gasket to seal the system. A copy of your multi-point inspection will be provided to you at the end of each service. Thanks for choosing Rochester Toyota, and we hope to service your vehicle soon.